Hello everybody, Audrey here. Happy Friday! Today we are making a super good looking dish. I hope it will delight your weekend. Steamed shrimp with garlic sauce and a glass noodle. 3 of my favorites in one dish. How could I say no to it? The glass noodle has absorbed all the flavors and the sauce while steamy. It looks so yummy. Glass noodle is also called the cellophane noodle or 粉丝. It's made of starch such as mung bean starch or potato starch and water, which can be used in soup or stir-frying in South Asia. Take one bundle and soak in water. Hot water or warm water can expedite the process to soften it. You must have seen this shrimp a lot in my recipes. I love them. They are from Costco with good price. Any shrimp works here, just remember to have those tail-on ones. Soak in water to defrost. As you can see, the back of the vein has been removed. There is a line in the middle on the back. Let's call it a middle line. The inside vein is still there. We will work on to remove it later. Align a small knife with the middle line on the back of the shrimp and gently cut through towards the inside. What we do here is to create an opening. The inside vein can be pulled out easily once the knife cuts through. Once you find the opening, point the tail to it. Slowly tuck tail in and pull out from the other side. This way can make the shrimp stand up. Glass noodle has become soft and easy to work on now. Take some and gently wrap around 2 fingers to make a circle. It doesn't need to be perfectly good looking circle. As long as we group them together and there is a little opening in the middle, that will be fine. I made about 7 circles here. Now let's place the shrimp in middle. One little tip here to have a good looking is to spread out the tail. Opening up tail really creates a good looking in this dish. Heat some oil in a small pan with 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Cook at low heat, then add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and 2 tablespoons of chicken stock. Simply pour the sauce over the shrimp. Make sure the tail is wide open before steaming. Boil a pot of hot water and steam at high heat for 8 minutes. Garnish with green onion and the chili pepper. Here comes our super good looking steamed shrimp. This is Audrey. I hope you like it. I'll see you next week.